Thanks for the clarification. Here's a revised version of the 2025 Chevrolet Nexia 3 review script tailored with an understanding that the vehicle is particularly relevant for markets like Uzbekistan, where it's popular. Auto Avenue Sphere presents an in-depth look at one of the most talked about budget-friendly sedans in Uzbekistan, the 2025 Chevrolet Nexia 3. This new model continues to be a preferred choice for many Uzbek drivers who value economy, simplicity, and everyday practicality in their cars. With subtle design changes and feature upgrades, the Nexia 3 aims to remain competitive in the compact car market. The exterior design of the 2025 Nexia 3 remains modest but functional. In this update, Chevrolet has refined the front fascia with a sharper grille and updated headlamps that now feature LED daytime running lights. These changes help the Nexia maintain a modern look without being overly flashy, which aligns well with the tastes of many practical car buyers in Uzbekistan. The new wheel design and slightly altered bumper also contribute to a fresher appearance on the road. Under the hood, the vehicle continues to be powered by a 1.5-liter gasoline engine producing around 107 horsepower. This engine setup is familiar to many drivers in Uzbekistan, known for its reliability and ease of maintenance. It's offered with both a 5-speed manual and a 6-speed automatic gearbox, allowing customers to choose based on driving preference and budget. Fuel economy is another strong point, averaging around 6.5 liters per 100 kilometers, which is ideal for both city commuting and longer drives across Uzbekistan's varied landscapes. Inside, the Nexia 3's cabin has received some welcome improvements. The dashboard has been redesigned with better materials and more ergonomic placement of controls. The infotainment system is now an 8-inch touchscreen that includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a significant upgrade for users who rely on smartphone connectivity. The layout is simple and user-friendly, which matches the practical nature of the car. For passenger comfort, Chevrolet has slightly improved seat cushioning and added more sound insulation to reduce road noise, especially useful for long drives on regional roads. Rear seat space is adequate for adults, and there's enough legroom and headroom for daily use. The front seats provide decent support, with more features available in the higher trim levels such as seat height adjustment and lumbar support. Safety has also been addressed in the 2025 update. The car now comes standard with dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, ISOFIX anchors for child seats, and rear parking sensors. Higher trims add features like a rear-view camera, electronic stability control, and hill start assist. While it may not match premium vehicles and safety equipment, the Nexia 3 now offers a well-rounded safety package for its price range, which will be appreciated by family buyers. The trunk space is another highlight of the Nexia 3, offering over 500 liters of cargo room. This is ideal for shopping trips, family vacations, or transporting goods, a common use case for many drivers in Uzbekistan. The rear seats can be folded down to increase space, adding even more flexibility. On the road, the driving experience is tuned for comfort rather than sportiness. The suspension setup absorbs most road imperfections well, making it comfortable for use in both urban and rural areas. The steering is light, which makes it easy to maneuver through traffic or narrow streets, especially in crowded cities like Tashkent or Samarkand. While it may not excite enthusiasts, it performs reliably and predictably, which is exactly what many buyers are looking for. One of the most important factors for Uzbek car buyers is maintenance cost and service availability. The Nexia 3 scores well in this area due to its simple mechanics, easily available spare parts, and an expanding service network across the country. Chevrolet models are well supported in Uzbekistan, and this model continues that tradition, making it a smart choice for long-term ownership. In summary, the 2025 Chevrolet Nexia 3 remains a solid choice for drivers in Uzbekistan who want an affordable, dependable, and updated sedan. Its improvements in design, comfort, and technology make it more competitive without losing its core values of simplicity and low running costs. Whether you're a young driver, a family in need of a reliable second car, or someone seeking low-cost transportation with a touch of modernity, the Nexia 3 delivers good value for the money. This has been Auto Avenue Sphere, bringing you the latest automotive updates tailored for your needs. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews, comparisons, and industry news designed for car lovers across the region.